2012 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power door locks, CD player, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, passenger airbag, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.